Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time coming across one of my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. So guys, today I'm going to be doing another cake decoration. This is going to be 1-year-old cake, so it's a boy's cake, so I want you guys to come along with me. I'm already prepared, my apron is on, so now I'll show you guys. I have my cake board, so I'm not going to be covering this cake board, so I'm going to leave that this like this. So I just covered the side with the ribbon, so that's the ribbon for my box for the cake box. I have my cake box is ready. I'll normally put the cake box ready so that in case I just finish the cake, I'll just put it inside, so they'll be coming in tomorrow morning to pick it up. It's already late. The time is about 2 a.m. My kids are sleeping, so I normally do cake decoration mostly at night so that I won't get any distraction from the kids. Okay, now it's time to put on my gloves. So we go together, guys. So guys, like I said earlier on my last video, if you have any decoration you want me to do, don't forget to comment it down below, and if I can, I will do the video of it. So guys, let's start. Yeah guys, so I've covered the cake, so I didn't want to do the process of covering the cake. If not, the video is going to take a very long time, so I just want to do only the decoration with you guys. So I've covered my cake. Yes, so I'm going to do dripping on it. So sometimes I normally use spoon, that's blue. So I normally use spoon sometimes. I prefer spoon anyway, but it's just that I've already have some blue in here before, so I just said let me just put it inside and use this. I just put it in the microwave for it to be melt, so it's a bit hot, so I'm going to just shake it a bit, then sometimes the holes of it, the reason I use spoon, because sometimes the holes inside normally get blocked, so that's why I prefer using spoon. So now it's blocked, so you see, I think I'll just use what I normally use. Okay guys, I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. It's just a simple cake. That's what I'm using for the cake. There's not much details like that, so I'm just going to use these chocolates, and this is my macarons, and that's the birthday tag I'm going to use on this as well. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to be using for the cake. So let me start now and put it in on. First, so I'm going to be putting that. I'm just trying where I can put this on. I'm not sticking them yet, so I'm just looking at where I'm going to put in. So it's not just much, not going to be much details on it. So I'm still going to be using my dripping chocolates to stick them on. I will need to melt it now because it's already strong now, so I'll just melt it a bit, put it in the microwave. I'll be right back guys. So guys, I'm going to be sprinkling this on top, just sprinkle it on top of the cake. So I'm going to use water to wet the surface. So guys, I'm going to be putting chocolate around it, just that. Okay guys, so that is it. So I'm going to go outside to spray it with glaze sprayer. So yeah, and I'll be right back guys. Okay guys, I'm back. So I'm going to be putting some names there. So there's no much space, but she wants the son's name to be on the cake, so I just have to create a little bit of space. Yeah, so I'm using my small cutter. This is the smallest alphabetic cutter I have, so which I'm going to use because there's no space in the board anymore. So I'll just try. The name is a bit long, so I'll just try to put it. Okay, so let's start guys. I haven't stick it yet, so I need to use my hand to dent that place. Okay guys, I think it's okay that space, so I'm going to stick it now. Okay, yeah, that's it guys, I'm done with the cake. So I just need to put it in the box now. Those come soon to come and get the cake. Okay. Guys, I didn't even snap it, you see? I just forgot. I forgot to snap the cake. Oh my god. I just want to put it on top of there so that I can snap it. Yeah, the number one, guys, is sticking out. I'll just cover it like that. That's the cover. See, it's sticking out so much. I'll not tie it that tight. I'll just do it a bit. I'm tired, you know. Okay guys, I'm done. So that's the cake. So what do you guys think about this cake? Let me know in the comment section. If you like this cake, give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Yeah, that's it in the pack. My daughter is at my back. She woke up and she started crying, so I don't have no choice than to just put her on my back. So in case you guys are hearing her voice, she's at my back. I thought I would finish the cake before she wakes up, but I did it. That's how it is with kids, you know. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. If you have any design or cake decoration you want me to do, don't forget to comment it down below and I will do a video of it if I can. Hello guys, I'm done with my cake. They are coming this morning now to pick it up. My daughter is actually left my bag, so I put her somewhere there. So she's there before she will start screaming. Okay guys, today post notification goes to Lavi. Yeah, Lavi, she's the first person that commented on my video last time, so I said let me give her a shout out and say thank you to her. Guys, please, you should go to her channel and subscribe to her channel. She's amazing. She's an amazing sister. I'm going to put a channel page on the screen somewhere so that you people can see her. So yes guys, so if you want to hand a shout out, don't forget to comment, like and share. But the first person to comment on my video, and I'll give you a shout out on my next video guys. Okay guys, love you guys, love you. Bye.